What's up, everybody? Charlie Brown's Excellent Adventures, and today we are going to be reviewing some Faygo. Now I know you're thinking, Charlie Brown, hold up, what is this excellent, most fresh shirt you got on? It's our Gathering Campsite shirt. Let's go, Grumpy Campsite. But here we go. I know you said we already did Faygo Firework, but I just found this one. And here we go. Boom. Faygo Firework in a can. I know it's been around for a couple weeks now, but I just now seen it, so I'm grabbing it. But the reason I'm doing the review is because we've already done this review here. But I think in my head, and maybe in everybody else's too, that it tastes different in the twist tops than it does in the cans. You know what I mean? Because, for example, Faygo Grape, right? My absolute favorite is in the can. It just is. I don't know why. Maybe because I get it at the scrub care unit all the time with my motherfucking sandwich and baggie and shit. And it tastes really good because it's 900 degrees out. But when I get it in the plastic twist top, it just don't, I don't know. It don't have that like it does in the can. But that just might be like a subliminal like thing of where I'm getting it. You know, it could be that. But today we're going to try this. I already know what this one tastes like, so we're not going to do this one first. I mean, it might be better. Who knows? Ready? I was one of the first ones to review that a couple years ago, or whenever it was. Now, the smell, you can't, like, when you open this up, you can smell it, like the bomb pop. Can't hardly smell it. I don't know. There might, it's like a flavor is missing, kind of. It's just the same, but it's different. You might have more carbonation, maybe. I don't know. Try again. I don't know. There's something missing in this. I'm telling you. These are my favorite. 100%, 1000%. There's something in this that's not in this. And I don't know if the twist tops don't have the carbonation as much as the cans, and it's a little bit smoother flow. Because when I'm drinking this, I want to burp all the time. That tells me this got more carbonation in it. But it's that covering up the flavor. Sound like a bear talking to a monster. I don't know if it's covering up the flavor or something. I mean, it's good. Don't get me wrong. But it's just not... I'm missing the flavor. Here's what I'm going to do this. I'm going to pour this in a glass and see if it's the same color as this. Be right back. Boom. That didn't take long. Now, if it's a different color, there's going to be... The reason I'm saying that is because if you do the high C orange... There's a bourbon again. At McDonald's, it's orange as shit. But if you get it in a little squeeze, you know what I mean? It's like a weird clear liquid. I mean, it looks the same. Right? This over here just bubbling like some science shit. Yeah, I think it's got a lot of carbonation in it. What y'all think? But that's my, you know what I mean? If you gotta get it, grab it. You know what I mean? But I personally, I'm right here. You know what I mean? I do the grapes in the can. Maybe because the grape tastes better carbonated than it does, you know, I don't know. But this is the highly carbonated Faygo Firework in a can. It's good. I recommend getting it. But if you want a nice, smooth taste, there's your savior right there. Boom. Alright, everyone. It's Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown's Excellent Adventures. I say whoop whoop. Hit that motherfucking like and subscribe button. We will be live tomorrow for the Laker game. See you there. Peace out.